Imagine you're sitting in a cafe with a friend and they draw you on the back of a napkin how to get to their house. They're not going to draw you every single road and every single business that's on the way. They're going to simplify this for you. We wanted to emphasize those things on Google Maps. It's almost like having a cartographer in your pocket now, because we can now rebuild the perfect map for every place and for every person. We've never been able to do this before.
I'm interested if someone likes Google Maps, but what matters so much more is, can they actually use Google Maps?
The research can provide these deep insights into how real people are using the products. Put this in front of real people and watch them use it and see if they're struggling or if things are working well.
One thing we noticed in research was that some people had problems navigating Street View, which was kind of disappointing to us because that's really where all the fun is, being able to explore. So what we did is we prototyped some alternative ways of giving people a stronger visual cue, introducing a little arrow in a circle just to indicate, click here. Suddenly we saw in studies that people were able to get the most out of the product.
You're seeing a trend generally in modern design. Technology should be getting out of the way, and we're trying to make all of the interactions happen on the map itself. We call that making the map the user interface, because we're taking all of the controls away from the edge of the map and placing all the interactions directly on the map. The thing that wows most people about the design of the new Google Maps is we've got Google Earth built directly into the browser now, which is pretty cool. We have all of this incredible imagery, all the way from satellite view down via Street View and all the way even underwater. The Great Barrier Reef is a great example of that, because it allows you to explore something that maybe you're never going to get to explore in reality. We draw inspiration from a variety of sources all the time, and I think nature's a really nice one. We had this problem, which is that we had this incredible satellite imagery, and then we were overlaying the roads and the labels on top, but it really felt like we were obscuring the imagery with the roads. One day I was sitting in a park and I saw a leaf line next to me, and we realized that the roads and everything are really quite similar to the veins on a leaf. You can see the major highways here and the arterials and the little local roads around here. And what makes this really work is the fact that it's brighter and there's this kind of darker contrast around the edges. So we took that design approach and put that back into maps, tiny little subtle changes of giving it slightly brighter colouring and slightly darker casing. Now the satellite maps look slightly more nature inspired, and they look more holistic and more like they fit together instead of two overlays.
Collaboration between the designers and researchers at Google is more of an ongoing conversation. Seemingly small tweaks to a product can have a massive impact. It's through these kinds of conversations that we start to pinpoint ways that we can reduce stress in people's lives and, make technology that people love.